Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about what do apple pies, lakes, and Airbnbs have in common. We're here in the North Georgia mountains today in Ellijay in the Blue Ridge area. And these are three things this area is known for. So today we want to talk about flood insurance for Airbnbs in this area. It's one thing most people don't think about. You know, you're in the North Georgia mountains, who has to worry about flood? Well, the Blue Ridge Lake here, the Ellijay River, the Dacoa River, you know, these are all areas that do cause flooding zone changes and flooding issues in North Georgia. So today we want to talk about how do you protect that vacation rental? How do you protect that short-term rental? How do you protect that Airbnb, you know, when it comes to the right coverage? It's very important to understand that if you have a flood insurance policy and you have additional living expenses on there and a flood occurs on one of these properties, more than likely you're not getting it. And the reason is that the property was classified incorrectly. You see, it's not a residential, it's being rented out, so it's actually a commercial policy. So what you need to have is a commercial flood policy. And you need to make sure that you've got business loss of use, business income on there. And what you want to do is think about 6 months. That's a good number to go off of when you're having repairs and things done. Look at 6 months of income if you lose that rent. The other thing you want to take a look at also when you're looking at these Airbnbs is business inventory. You know, what happens if you have to replace all the contents in that place? You know, if you don't have contents in an Airbnb, who's going to rent it out? Nobody, because there's not even a sofa for them to sleep on. So these are a few things you want to think about when you're thinking about that coverage for your B&B when it comes to flood insurance. You know, you just found out that it was in a special flood hazard area. Maybe it's in a flood zone A or AE, which is a common thing for these Airbnbs. So if you've got questions about flood insurance for Airbnbs, maybe it's on a lake across the country, or maybe it's right here in the North Georgia mountains, then please reach out to us. FloodInsuranceGuru.com. Go to our YouTube channel and our Facebook page, The Flood Insurance Guru, where we do our daily flood education videos. You can also give us a call, 205-451-4294. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand your flood risks, like this one right here on the Blue Ridge Lake, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term to help you minimize flood losses and flood premiums. Thank you.